Hey everybody, Judy Klock here at Stampin' with Crafty Klock, and thanks so much for stopping by for this edition of Live at Lunch. Today I wanted to share with you one of the new kits that is in the January to June mini catalog. It's called the You Are Amazing Project Kit. It's on page 7, and this kit includes everything you need to create 16 beautiful cards. Now you can add on the stamp set, the You Are Amazing stamp set, but today I'm actually going to work with one of our free celebration sets called Approaching Perfection. So this little kit, it's, like I said, it's $30 for 16 cards, and it comes with everything you need: the card bases, the envelopes, and all the embellishments and pop-outs to create these beautiful cards. Look at these cards. Aren't these fun? I love the colors. Colors are Bermuda Bay, Mango Melody, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green. So I just really love how fun and festive this kit is. And it comes in this great box that you can use to store your cards in when you're done. Everything's in there. You've got a little instruction kit that tells you what's in the box. It kind of takes you through step by step how to put all of your cards together. And it's got everything you need. So this is one of our great little project kits that I think you'll love. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna be ambitious, and I've got 4 cards that I want to do today. So I'm gonna pull out some Pretty Peacock, some Flirty Flamingo, and some Mango Melody. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So let's get started on our very first card. This one is real simple. We're just going to stamp on here. The bad news is I forgot your birthday. The good news is I forgot your age. And we're going to go ahead and stamp that in our Pretty Peacock. And because these are our red rubber cling stamps, I don't need to add my, my Stampin' Pierce mat, because there is enough cushioning on here. And now we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to layer this up. So I'm going to take my Stampin' Seal Plus, and I'm just going to start layering these elements over our card base. I love the pre-printed card bases. It makes it so easy to put these together. Now, of course, you can pop these out with dimensionals. I'm just going to pop out our last sentiment with dimensionals. So I'm going to put all of this stuff down just using my Stampin' Seal Plus. I love the Stampin' Seal Plus. It's my favorite. Not only does it give a great hold, but it goes on pretty easily. Okay, I'm just going to go put some dimensionals on my little sentiment piece. And the kit also came with some lovely twine. If you wanted to put some twine on these, you could. I have opted not to put the twine on. Just going to put that right in there. And then I could always go back and stamp a happy birthday on the inside. One card done. Let's keep going. Okay, our next card is going to be this lovely blue one. This is Bermuda Bay. It's got this pretty little vellum piece. I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive right down the middle because we won't see that then. I'm going to come over and put this like star piece on. And I love it because all you have to do is pop these elements out and they're ready to go and put your card together. Okay, here I'm going to stamp again in my Pretty Peacock, which is one of our matching colors. It's a news flash. Birthdays are found to be good for your health. I'm going to stamp it right on this white piece. The studies have shown that people who have the most birthdays live longest. Yeah, that makes sense. And again, I'm just going to pop on some dimensionals. Love my dimensionals. I love how they just add a little bit of depth to all the projects. Get these little covers off and out of the way. What is the strangest place you have ever found one of our Stampin' dimensional covers? Mine probably would have been my dog's nose later in the evening, which is unusual because they don't usually come down to my workshop. So there, we've got that one done. Okay, next up, we've got this little one. I love this one. All the printed card bases. Look at how pretty those little tulips are. If that doesn't make you think of spring, I don't know what will. As I'm sitting here with 4 inches of snow on the ground, I am ready for some springtime weather. Okay, we're going to put that on there. Now we're just going to layer these two little circles right on. No right or wrong way to how you put these on. There's no, I don't really measure a lot. I just kind of eyeball stuff and hope that it all looks good when I'm done. This, I think I will stamp in our Flirty Flamingo. And this says, so what if you're a year older? You're fabulous. And I firmly believe that we are fabulous at any age. Our age doesn't define us. All right. Oh, so fun. And again, popping this on the back with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And you can see, look how easily and how quickly this kit goes together. And in a matter of probably, I don't know, half an hour, you can have 16 gorgeous birthday cards ready to roll out for all the birthdays on your list. Okay, one more. Our last one. Okay. This is going to be, I think, my favorite. I love those stripes. So let's go ahead and put this on, layer this up. All right. And again, I'm just eyeballing it, making sure it's down in the middle. I'm going to put on, oops, this little piece of vellum. A little bit cold in my workshop today, so I have my sweatshirt on because I do have the heaters going, but it's still a little bit chilly. Okay, we're going to put this piece over it. And I love how we have some of the shiny elements like the foil along with the vellum. All right, and this one is going to get a, where is it? I'm going to put it again in my Flirty Flamingo, which I just had. And this says, if things really do get better with age, then you're approaching perfection. Okay. A little bit crooked, but hopefully it'll be okay. That's why you probably never want to stamp and drink, man, because you can really mess up some stuff. But it's lunchtime, so we're not imbibing. But I am a little crooked, probably just because I was rushing just a little bit. But look at that. 4 really quick cards done. Probably in under, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes tops. And that is our beautiful You Are Amazing project kit in the January to June mini catalog. Go ahead and order it. And I will, for any orders of $25 or more this month, I'll send you a little bonus class. That's it for me. See you next week at Live at Lunch. Bye.